Hi everyone, welcome back again. And in this video, let's see how we can share a SharePoint site content with the external user. So we need to enable the external sharing in the SharePoint online to share the SharePoint content with the external user. So let's see how we can do that. Before enabling the external access to a SharePoint site for a user, I will show you this one, the error I got. I will share this site page with the external user account. I will share with my Gmail address. You can see the error message will be displayed as you can only share with your organization, which means this mail is not a part of the organization, which is a external user. So we can't able to share with this user because the external access has been avoided or restricted at the site level or at the tenant level. Now we need to enable the external user access at the SharePoint site level as well as the organization level. Enable as in the same way, whatever the content present in the SharePoint site, we can't able to share with the external user until we enable the external user access. Let me show you another thing as well. Here, this is the documents. If you are sharing here with the external user as well, this is my mail address. You can also, the same way, whatever the content we are sharing with the external user, it will display the same error message. Now we have to or resolve this error, external user access to this SharePoint site. So to enable the external user access, we should have to enable the external user access at two levels. One is at the tenant level or organizational level, and another one is SharePoint site level. So let me introduce myself. I'm Chandrika, Power Platform Consultant working in TSInfo Technologies Private Limited. You can contact us through our official email address for any of the Power Platform. We can guide you and as well as we will provide the solutions based on your requirements. So this is from my end, and another one I wanted to show you is this is the products developed by our team. There are many products in this page. This is the SP Guide channels page where you can go to the product section. You can able to see all the products listed out here. You can simply download the solution so that it will get all the solution package to your environment. I will provide this products link in the video description. If you are interested, go and have a look at it this page. So thank you for this, and let's go back to our topic. To enable it at the site level, you need SharePoint Admin Center access. So we can go to the admin center by two ways. Click on the app launcher here. Then you can see all the apps. Under that, select the admin. Then it will open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. As you can see, in the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, you can find all the admin centers related to the Microsoft 365 apps, where the SharePoint is also one of that. If you are clicking on this, it will navigate to the SharePoint Admin Center. Or else, if you don't have the Microsoft 365 Admin Center, if you only have SharePoint Admin Center access, then you can log in with the email like this tenant. This is my tenant sjg52 hyphen. This is the URL you need to provide hyphen admin.sharepoint.com. When clicking on the enter, it will open the SharePoint Admin Center. You can see here as well the SharePoint Admin Center has been opened, and now here as well the SharePoint Admin Center has been opened at two places. Now first let's see the policies. Under policies, the sharing is there. When you see here in the sharing page, external sharing, it has been only allowed. The SharePoint content can be shared only with the people in the organization. If you want it to share with the anyone or the external users, you have to drag this SharePoint one to either new or existing guest as up to the anyone, where users can share files and folders using links that do not require sign in. In the file and folders, you can select anyone with the link. Click on save. Now the sharing settings has been set to the external sharing, that we can share with anyone, that means with the external user also we can share. This will be applicable to all the SharePoint sites. Now we have to enable it for the particular SharePoint site, so we need to go to the active sites that are present in the SharePoint. So we have to select the particular site, click on the sites, then it will show active sites and deleted sites. Select active sites. This is the SharePoint site that I need to share the content with the external user. So let me go and search leave management in the active sites. Leave management, it will appear. When you select this one, when you select the particular SharePoint site, then you can see the options here. Click on edit sharing settings. Then it will show all the sharing settings. You have to select in the external sharing with anyone or new and existing guest. Select the external sharing with new and existing guest and click on save. Now the sharing settings has been updated successfully. Let's go back to our SharePoint site. Now I will refresh the page here, and then I will try to share this SharePoint page, whether it is sharing with the external user or not. Let's see. I will provide my email. After resetting, you can see after resetting of the external sharing, it will only displaying the pop-up box where it is notifying share outside of your organization, and this email person is outside of your organization. Let's continue. Click on send, and the content has been shared with the external user. Let me open my Gmail and I will show you whether the content has been shared with me or not. As you can see, the mail has been received with me, and it was when I open this page, then the SharePoint site will open without any sign in. This is how to share the SharePoint content with the external user. This is how to share the SharePoint content with an external user and how to enable external sharing option at the SharePoint admin center. Thank you, and let's see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and let's see you in the next video. For more interesting updates, click on the bell icon. Thank you.